Welcome to the Xenius SEMS Plus app. Log in through the username and password to access the real-time dashboard. Tap on the Get Started button. The menu bar will now appear where users can find Overview section, allow users to check their available balance, bid and DG status, current status, today's consumption and sanction load. Recharge section allow users to check their available balance, recharge electricity online via any mode of payment gateway or coupon code. Users can also view their recharge history. The report section allows users to access daily, monthly, and comparative reports for the electricity and cost consumption. Users can also view their current tariff. Settings section allows users to set notifications for consumption exceeded per day, low balance, power cut restore, supply source change, and notify recharge. In the profile section, users can access their account details, contact the society facility and Xenius support team, and change their password. The notice section provides important notices and announcements. DG event logging allows users to keep track of DG on and off status. Xenius SEMS Plus prepaid meeting solution at your fingertips.